Hello, this is Dr. Jody Stanislaw, and you are watching Type 1 Diabetes TV, the place to be for having a long and healthy life with T1D. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you a valuable tool that I certainly wish I knew decades ago, and that is how to make your high blood sugar levels come down faster. It's this simple. Go be active. Go for a brisk walk. Jump up and down. Do some sit-ups, do some push-ups, make it a dance party, turn on some music. When you move your body, your insulin peaks faster and you become more insulin sensitive. So this allows your highs to come down faster. So the next time you're 200 or 250 or 11 or higher in millimoles, don't just sit there and be frustrated that you're high and it seems like it never comes down. Go have a dance party. It's the best tool for getting out of that dangerous high zone fast. And there's one caveat though. Assuming that your basal rate, if you're on a pump, or long-acting insulin isn't set too high, you must actually have recently taken some rapid-acting insulin. Let me explain. Rapid-acting insulin stays in your body about 4 hours. It takes about an hour or more to peak. And sometimes when we're high, it's most commonly right after we ate. We generally have eaten something, our sugar level goes high, but our insulin hasn't peaked yet. So being active allows that peak to happen faster, and thus the high to come down faster. So if you've just woken up in the morning and you're high, I'm going to assume your basal rate is set not too high, your long-acting insulin isn't set too high, which means you actually don't have enough insulin in your body to allow the movement to bring you down. When we're being active and we go low, it's simply because the activity is making our insulin more powerful. So if you actually don't have enough insulin on board, you only have a teeny bit of basal rate or teeny bit of long-acting, and then you're active, that activity in that case might actually not make you come down. It's most effective when you've recently, within an hour or two, given yourself some rapid. That's when being active can make you come down faster. So, next time you're high, hopefully not today, but maybe today, I promise you, turn on some music, have a dance party, go take a brisk walk around the block. I guarantee it. You'll see me out in parking lots or streets walking back and forth or jumping jacks in an airport. I'm not shy. I'll do a little bit of movement anywhere I am to make those highs come down faster. So give it a try and let me know how it goes. So thanks for watching this week's episode of Dr. Jody's Type 1 Diabetes TV. Bye for now.